How to delete items from Google Collections. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to remove items from Google Collection, you may just head over and follow the steps I'll be showing. So, what you can do is you can head over the Google app on your Android or tablet. And then once you are into the application, you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. So, you may look out for the option called your profile in the top right corner of your screen. First, tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be finding different options in the menu. You may just head over and look out for the option called Saves and Collections and then tap on it. Here, you should be finding all of your collections, like all of your saved items that you may look for. So, if you'd like to delete it, you may just head over to one of the saved collection that you have. And once you are there, you'll be finding it. Now, what you can do is you can basically look out for the three dot right beside your collection, tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be finding option called remove. From the menu, select the option called remove, and then go ahead and confirm it. And once you do that particular item should be deleted from your Google collection. And that is it. So if you'd like to delete items from Google Collections, you may also follow the same process. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.